Beyond the map, unraveling the meaning of the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, beyond the map. This phrase is not just about geography. It's a metaphor that enriches our understanding of various contexts. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Beyond the map literally refers to areas not depicted on a map. However, metaphorically, it means exploring unknown or uncharted territories. It's about venturing into areas that are new, undiscovered, or not well understood. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from physical exploration to intellectual or emotional journeys. The phrase has its roots in the age of exploration when maps were incomplete, and much of the world was unknown. Explorers who went beyond the map were seen as brave adventurers. Today, we use this phrase to describe anyone who explores new frontiers, be it in science, art, or personal growth. In modern times, beyond the map is often used metaphorically. For example, in business, a company innovating in an untested market is going beyond the map. In personal development, someone breaking out of their comfort zone is venturing beyond the map. When using beyond the map, think about contexts that involve exploration, innovation, or venturing into the unknown. It's a powerful phrase to describe bold moves and new ventures. For example, she decided to go beyond the map and start her unique brand of fashion. I hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of the phrase, beyond the map. It's a reminder that sometimes, the greatest discoveries and achievements lie in the unknown. Keep exploring, and who knows what you might find beyond your map.